Listen, you're hearing a language that soon will fall silent forever. Here's the story again, in English.
A long time ago, man never known on earth was all alone. Then he made the earth. He made the first man having power to carry light. Then he made the first woman, bright, shining woman.
Doris McLemore is 83 years old and the last fluent speaker of Wichita, a Native American language. The daughter of a white man and a Wichita mother, she was raised by her Wichita-speaking grandparents in rural Oklahoma. She remembers a time when the language thrived in her community.
You know, you could say things in Wichita that was so funny, and you wouldn't dare, the way some of them talked, you wouldn't dare say it in English.
But the dominant English-speaking society gradually destroyed the old ways. Generations of indigenous children were shipped off to boarding schools, forced to learn English, and punished for speaking their mother tongue.
The white people did not value it. They wanted it to be gone. Just like everything else, they wanted to annihilate all the Indians.
Now Doris is the only one left. Sometimes, she says, she dreams in Wichita. The Wichita words for earth and sky, joy and sorrow will die with her.
How does that make you feel?
You know, I never think about it. It's just the way it is. I don't dwell on it. I just don't think about it.
Wichita is just one of thousands of small languages worldwide on the brink of oblivion, scholars say.
We're seeing an unprecedented pace of language extinction or language death. Approximately half of the world's languages are considered to be endangered, and we may be losing a language as often as one every 2 or 3 weeks.
With the death of each language, an immeasurably valuable piece of humanity's inheritance disappears.
When a community loses its language, they really lose their history, they lose their connection to the past, they lose all of the wisdom and knowledge that has been accumulated through the centuries about how to live in a sustainable manner on this planet.